This is a complete digital wedding stationery bundle I designed in Canva: invitation card, details card, and RSVP with QR code. Bundles like this sell on Etsy for $25 to $35. You create it once, deliver it as a Canva template, and sell it as many times as you want. I'll show you how to build all 3 pieces from scratch in Canva, how to set up a Google Form RSVP with a QR code, how to use the AI Countdown app for an interactive touch, and how to deliver everything professionally to your buyer as both a PDF and a Canva template link. If you're building passive income selling Canva templates, subscribe my channel. Start with the invitation. Create a custom size 5 by 7 inches. This is the standard wedding invitation size and exactly what buyers expect when they search on Etsy. Change the unit to inches before setting your dimensions. Set the background to sage green. Age green has been the most searched wedding color on Etsy for 2 years running, and it's still at peak demand in the US and Australian market right now. Add the couple's names. I'm using a flowing script font for Rachel and Thomas. The names are the hero element of any wedding invitation. Position Rachel in the top left and centered in a smaller serif, and Thomas below. This staggered layout feels romantic and intentional. Add a thin, vertical line on the left side of the names. This simple element creates visual structure and frames the typography beautifully. Change the color to cream or soft white to match the text. Now the botanical element. Go to Elements and search for calla lily. Choose a painted or illustrated style, not a photograph. Reduce transparency and place it in the top right corner. The calla lily is one of the most popular wedding flowers in Western markets, and it adds an instant elegance to this design. Add the event details in the lower half. With great joy, we invite you to celebrate our marriage on. Then the date large and prominent. Below that, the time and venue address. Keep each piece of information on its own line with clear hierarchy. The date should be the largest element after the names. It's what the guest looks at first. Add thin horizontal lines between the sections to separate the date, time, and venue. These lines create breathing room and make the information easy to scan at a glance. Keep them cream or soft white. Before we move to the next card, let me show you a Canva app that adds an interactive touch to your template. Go to Apps and search AI Countdown. Set the target date to the wedding date, and it generates a live countdown. Days, hours, minutes. It updates in real time when the buyer opens their Canva template. For this particular design, sage green, minimal, elegant, I actually decided the countdown didn't match the aesthetic. The clean simplicity of this invitation is what makes it premium, so I removed it. Now the details card. Instead of creating a separate Canva file, you can add a different size page directly inside the same design. Click the arrow next to the Add Page button at the bottom, select Custom Size, and set it to 4 by 6 inches. Canva will add a new page with your chosen dimensions right inside the same file. Keep the same sage green background so the entire bundle stays cohesive. This is one of those Canva features most people don't know exists, and it makes managing a multi-card bundle so much cleaner than juggling separate files. Add the heading, "The" in a script font, "Details" in a large serif below it. This mixed typography treatment is a classic wedding stationery technique. Then add your 3 information sections. I'm including accommodation with hotel details, transportation with shuttle information, and dress code. Each section heading in script, the details below in clean serif caps. This layout is clean, scannable, and professional. Add a thin vertical line on the left side, same as the invitation, keeps the set unified. So details card complete. This is the card most Etsy sellers don't include in their bundles, which is exactly why including it makes your listing stand out and justifies the higher price. The RSVP card. Add a new page, set it to 5 by 3.5 inches, standard RSVP card size. Same background. I'm adding a thin, double border frame on this one to give it a more formal, classic feel. Add Kindly in script, RSVP in bold serif below it, same mixed typography as the details card. Below that, add the response deadline. I'm using by 21.12/26 in an italic serif. This is a placeholder. The buyer will update it to their actual deadline. Open Google Forms in a new browser tab. It's completely free. Choose RSVP and create a simple form. Firstly, you can customize banner photo by uploading your own photo or select from suggestion. Change the event name because people are going to see this name. The other thing is we want the event address that I suggest you from Google Map, copy address and link it. Create a simple form with attending yes or no, guest name, and if you want meal preference. Once your form is ready, copy the URL from the browser. This is the link your guests will land on when they scan the code. Back in Canva, go to Apps and open QR code. Paste your Google Form URL and customize the QR color to cream or white to match the design. Place it on the right side of the RSVP card. RSVP card complete. Now look at all three pieces together: invitation, details, and RSVP. Same sage green, same fonts, same design language. This is a cohesive professional bundle worth $25 to $35 on Etsy. To get your template link, go to Share, click Template Link, then Create Template Link and copy. Here's the professional delivery method that separates serious template sellers from everyone else. Instead of just sending a bare template link, I create a PDF delivery file. The PDF includes a thank you message, a list of what's in the bundle, invitation, details card, and RSVP. To link my template link, I select Click Here. From 3 dots, I go to Link and paste my template link here. Now this text is clickable and linked to my template. Download your PDF file. This is what you upload to your Etsy listing as the digital download. The buyer purchases, downloads the PDF, clicks the template link, and within seconds they're editing your design in Canva with their own names and details. This delivery method also gets you 5-star reviews because the process is clear, professional, and effortless for the buyer. Where to sell this? Etsy is the primary marketplace for digital wedding stationery in the US and Australian market. A 3-piece bundle like this, invitation, details card, and RSVP, lists for $25 to $35. Single invitation templates sell for $12 to $18. The bundle format almost doubles your revenue for the same amount of design work. 1 Canva file, 3 professional cards, a PDF delivery system, and a template link. Create it once, sell it forever. That is what passive income from Canva looks like. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend. And for more videos about Canva, digital products, Etsy ideas, and professional design workflows, subscribe to the channel.